Hey everyone, in this video, Oneida Dust Deputy, why I've been using it for 5 years, would I recommend it, and a quick review. Now let's get into it. I've been a carpenter for about 15 to 16 years, and I've been doing floors since I can remember with my dad. So it's been quite a while, and I've picked up a few things along the way, in particular this Oneida Dust Deputy. This I take on pretty much every job that I go to. It has saved me a lot of time and it's saved me a lot of money over the 5 years that I've actually owned it. Let's start with how does it save me time? Really what it does is it allows me to go through a whole job site. I can fill up a 5-gallon pail, which is this is what it comes with, and I can empty that out at the end of the day versus some of my shop vacs I'd like to keep small because of transport. I like them portable, and I'm going from room to room. I don't want something that's gonna be really heavy. Now obviously I can empty this out as often as I want, but what it does is it saves me bags that I don't have to actually replace anymore. I can go through just and buy 1 bag of boxes of my Festool vacuum bags versus 4 to 5 boxes that I'll go through a year, because we do a lot of floors, we do a lot of sanding, so we'll go through a lot of vacuum bags. So what this will do is it saves me those 3 to 4 boxes I don't have to buy anymore. I mean, those are $50 to $60 per box. So this one-time purchase, I believe is about $138, $140. You can buy this unit, comes with this cyclone, this vacuum tube, casters, and a 5-gallon pail, and a bracket that you can actually attach to your vacuum. Whether you want to attach it to your vacuum or not, personal preference. So that's really something that's up to you. Now, would I recommend it? Absolutely. If you have a small wood shop, you're a contractor who just likes to keep a clean job site, or a homeowner, you know, where you just don't want to go through with dust bags all the time. It may be a little bit overboard for just cleaning your house, obviously, but hey, it's up to you. You can do what you like. It's your place. So this you can find on the link below. Check it out on Amazon. You can purchase it through there. If you like the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later for any upcoming videos we have.